welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, if you're new here, my name is Lil Genius Official. I upload videos let's say sometimes when I don't have live things doing. Alright, so basically in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you all how to use Quicktimer for those who don't really know how to use Quicktimer. So if you want to make a reaction video, you can basically use Quicktimer. So basically now I've already downloaded it already. You can even click, so if you use a Mac, you can click this rocket thing here, go by. When you click that rocket thing, you'll see it in here in other. Then you click a Quicktimer, right? Then it's gonna be up here. Then what you wanna do now, so basically I'm using screen record. So what you wanna do, if you want to add a face cam, so you have new movie recorder, you have new audio recorder, you have new screen recorder. So basically I'm using the screen recorder right now. So for movie recorder now, this one is going to add it's going to add a face cam. So let me show you that one. So that one, you click it, then it's gonna add a face cam. So if you want this clip to be small, all you can do, just shrink it down like this, and then there you go. You got a little face cam right there. Also, you can also go to view, then click float on top. So once you click float on top, this little box right in this little webcam, it's going to float on anything. So let me try. See, I open up my browser. There's it. See, it's floating on anything right now. See, it's floating. I can drag it anywhere I want to. So if I see, it's floating on anything. Okay, anything you go on to, it will float on it. Anything you go on, it will float on anything. And also, bam, get out of that. Oh, and also one more thing too, guys, is if you want to download, let's say if you want to make a reaction video, if you want to download videos and stuff, you can go to this website. It's called YouTube MP4. Just simply copy your YouTube URL and paste it there, then click config, and you get the video. Go like this, just click config. I already did put that video right there already. Then it's gonna show, then I just click download. So yeah, that's it. So again, I got my little face cam. So depends on how big you want your face cam. If you want it about this size, it's up to you. But we can't go smaller than this. This is smallest it can go. This is smallest. So yeah, we put it right there. So yeah, that's it for wait, one more thing. So basically now see, I'm using all of them right now. I'm using the movie recorder. I'm using all of them. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this little short tutorial. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully this video help you to make some lit reaction videos. And yeah, with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys like and subscribe and comment on what you want to see next.
Be the fan, that's what they call me. I promise that